Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to download Tumblr videos inside your Python application. So I've written a simple Python script which will download your Tumblr videos. Tumblr is a very good site, social networking site. So many a times you need to download these videos, Tumblr videos. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the actual whichever video you need to download. Simply go to that post. So here you just need to copy whichever video you need to download. So you just basically write here, copy the link. So there is an option here of copy the link, and then we actually written this Python script. You simply paste the URL of this Tumblr video, and now if I execute this Python script, so you will actually see on the left hand side it will create a folder, and you don't need to be login inside your account. It will do the job automatically. You can see it is now downloading your video. At the bottom side you will see, so the speed is also very tremendous. There is no kind of restriction. You can do this unlimited number of times. So it is communicating with the Tumblr API in the background. So now it is completed. It has created this folder, and now we have the actual video playing. So it is in MP4 format. You can save this inside your device and play it very easily. So this is actually a module that I found out, guys. You can do this unlimited number of times, so there is no kind of restriction. So again you come to you copy the link, and again you paste it inside this Python script. So there is no kind of restriction that how many videos you can download. So you can try this unlimited number of times. So once again we execute, and once again it will download this video. So it's a very great module. You'll see once again a brand new video will be downloaded. I recently discovered this module last week, which is a Python open source module, YTDLP. So in the background it communicates with the Tumblr API. So you don't need to pass any sort of API key, or nor you need to have authenticated. You can do this unlimited number of time. You can see the video has been saved. So now let me show you the actual module. So if you go to the website here, which is pypiorg, which is the website for Python modules. So here you just need to search for this module YTDLP, which is this library we are talking about. So the command is simple. You simply execute this command, the pip command. So I have already downloaded. So just create a simple app.py file, and here you just need to import this module, so YTDLP, and also we need to import the operating system module, and here you specify the video URL. So whichever video you need to download, so you specify the link. After specifying the link, you simply specify the location where you need to download this. So we will create a folder which will be downloaded videos. Inside this, the title and the extension will come, and then we will create this folder by using the operating system module inside Python. After that, we specify the options. So this JSON object contains 3 options. The first option is where you save the video, so which is this location here that we specified in this variable. The second option is the format of the video, so we are specifying the best video and the best audio quality. And the third one is the quality, MP4 extension of the video. And after that we will pass these options to this function YT_DLP, and it contains this function YouTubeDL YTDL_options. And then it contains this function download, which will actually download the actual Tumblr video. So this is the thing, guys. If I once again run this now, you will see that downloading will start. It is saying that YTDL options are not defined. sorry, YDL, sorry. So let me just delete this folder once again, create this. So you can see there is no sort of restriction is there. You can do this process unlimited number of time. With many modules there will be a restriction, but this module doesn't have any sort of restriction. You can see you can download Tumblr videos really easily. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.